Go Corona go Corona go. Come on, let's break it. Okay, so do you really think that's just by shouting like this the Corona will not infect us or leave our country? Well, I don't think so. Okay, now come on, let's talk about some activities that we have all done in past few days. I hope you got my point. But those who are still guessing, I'm talking about plates and diyas. I know some of you may have thought that this was a total waste of time. Maybe they were right because things are getting more and more worse still now. But if you give this a second thought, you can see that these activities were not actually meant for coronavirus. They were for us. I mean, I have participated in those activities and I am telling you, I have never ever felt anything like that before. For the first time, I felt like we are together. Yes, we, the people of India, are actually together. And no matter what happens, we can stand and give hope to each other. For the first time, we all appreciated those who genuinely deserve our appreciation. I know Corona has nothing to do with these, but deep inside, I also know that if anyhow I got Corona, then there are hundreds of people that are willing to put their lives in danger to keep me safe and alive. And these people are nobody but the people we appreciate it for. These people are working day and night just to keep us away from the virus. This is the feeling that I was talking about. No matter what happens, we, the people of India, are united and together.